Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2025, which is from the paper 2, and it is from the topic practical chemistry. And in this question, if you see, it is saying during sodium nitroprusside test of sulfide ion in an aqueous solution, one of the ligands coordinated to the metal ion is converted to. So we have to first know what is sodium nitroprusside test. What is sodium nitroprusside test? So if you see here, in sodium nitroprusside test, what happens is Na2S, sodium sulfide, which is from the lysine extract. From the lysines extract. From the lysines extract, this Na2S reacts with sodium nitroprusside, which is Na2FeCN5NO. It is known as the sodium nitroprusside, and this sodium nitroprusside reacts with sodium sulfide to give Na4FeCN5NOS. And this is known as the sodium thionitroprusside. Sodium thionitroprusside. So if you see here this NO ligand converted to NOS. So it is asking in this question, if you see, during the nitroprusside test of the sulfide ion in an aqueous solution, one of the ligand coordinated, which is NO, converted to the metal ion, coordinated to the metal ion is converted to. So which ligand is converted to from the NO to? It is NOS. So that's why NOS negative should be the correct answer. The first option should be the correct answer. Thank you so much for listening.